What if I told you that you can speak English well with just 30 minutes a day?
Really? I don't believe that. I study a lot, but I still can't speak.
That's because you are studying the wrong way.
Wrong way? I watch videos, I read books, I learn grammar.
Yes, and that is the problem.
Grammar is the problem?
Grammar is not bad. Fear is bad.
Fear? I feel that. My mind goes blank.
That happens to many people
I know words, but when I speak, I freeze.
because you want to be perfect.
Yes, I don't want to make mistakes.
That fear kills your voice.
But mistakes feel embarrassing.
I know, but mistakes are the path.
Easy to say, hard to do.
True, but listen carefully.
I'm listening.
Most people try to speak after they feel ready.
Isn't that normal?
No, that's the trap.
Trap?
You never feel ready.
That sounds like me.
You wait for confidence.
Yes, I want confidence first.
Confidence comes after speaking, not before.
After speaking?
Yes, action first, confidence later.
But what if I sound stupid?
You will, at first.
That hurts.
It hurts for everyone.
Even fluent people?
Yes, they were once beginners.
I forget that.
Most people forget that.
So, what should I do?
Not yet. First, understand the real mistake.
What is it?
You practice English silently.
I think in my head.
That is not speaking.
But I understand everything.
Understanding is not speaking.
Then what is speaking?
Simple. Moving your mouth, making sound, even wrong sound.
That feels scary.
That fear is the real enemy.
I feel safe when I don't speak.
Safety is comfort. Comfort blocks growth.
So I must leave my comfort zone?
Just step 1 inch outside.
1 inch sounds possible.
Good. That's enough.
But how every day?
Slowly, very slowly.
Daily practice scares me.
Daily practice saves you
How?
because small habits beat big plans.
I make big plans and quit.
Exactly.
So what is the small habit?
I will tell you,
Please do.
but first you must change one belief,
Which belief?
that English must sound perfect.
It doesn't?
No, it must sound alive,
Alive.
real, broken, human.
I never thought that way.
Most people never realize this.
So what should I say when I practice?
That's the key question. But the real change starts with what you say tomorrow morning, and almost everyone skips that moment.
Tomorrow morning, before your phone, before messages, before fear.
Before my phone?
Yes, that moment decides everything.
What do I do in that moment?
You speak one sentence out loud.
Only one sentence?
Only one.
That sounds easy.
Easy, but powerful.
What sentence?
Something real about your life.
Like what?
Today I feel a little nervous, but I will try.
That's very simple.
Simple works.
But my grammar may be wrong.
Let it be wrong.
What if I build bad habits?
This is where people fail.
Fail how?
They stop speaking to fix grammar.
I do that.
Most learners do.
So grammar doesn't matter at all?
It matters later, not now.
Later feels safer.
Later never comes if you don't speak now.
That's true.
Speaking is training your mouth.
My mouth?
Yes, like a muscle.
I never trained my mouth.
Exactly.
I train my brain only.
Brain alone can't speak.
That makes sense.
Every day, one sentence becomes two.
Slowly?
Always slowly.
What about people listening?
No audience.
Alone?
Alone first.
I feel less scared alone.
Fear drops when pressure drops.
Thinking. And after that?
After a week, something changes.
What changes?
Your mouth opens faster.
Really?
Yes, without thinking.
That sounds nice.
But don't test yourself.
Don't test?
Tests create pressure.
Pressure brings fear.
Exactly.
So no exams?
Life is the exam.
That's scary and funny.
That's English.
Thoughtful. What about weekly practice?
Once a week, speak longer.
How long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes, non-stop.
Even with mistakes?
Especially with mistakes.
What do I talk about?
Your week, your problems, your wins.
Like a diary?
A spoken diary.
I like that idea.
But here's what nobody tells you.
What?
Low, clear, silence is your biggest enemy.
Silence?
Firm, when you stop, fear enters.
I stop a lot.
Everyone does.
Hopeful. Can I really change?
Confident, yes, if you keep going.
And monthly habits?
That's where confidence becomes real.
How?
Promising, I'll tell you next, but this is the part most people avoid.
Monthly habits are where your identity changes.
Identity?
Yes, you stop feeling like a learner,
Then what do I feel like?
a speaker.
That sounds big.
It starts small.
What is the monthly habit?
One real conversation.
With a real person?
Yes, one person, one time.
I'm not ready for that.
You never feel ready,
You said that before.
and it's still true.
What if I panic?
Panic passes.
What if I forget words?
You will.
That sounds bad.
That's progress.
Forgetting is progress?
Yes, it means you are trying.
I never saw it that way.
Most people don't.
I avoid conversations.
Avoiding keeps fear alive.
I know.
One conversation a month is enough.
Only one?
Only one.
That feels possible.
Choose a safe person.
Like who?
A friend, a teacher, a stranger online.
A stranger scares me.
Then start with a friend.
Okay.
But here is the real shift.
What shift?
You stop judging yourself.
Stop judging?
No scorning, no counting mistakes.
I always count mistakes.
That's the habit to break.
What do I focus on then?
Just did you speak or not?
Just that?
Just that.
That feels lighter.
Light habits last longer.
I quit because it feels heavy.
Most people do.
When will I feel confident?
Honestly, after many ugly attempts.
Ugly?
Very ugly.
That makes me feel better.
Good, you're learning.
What if people laugh?
Some will,
That hurts.
and you survive.
I guess so.
But this is where people fail.
Where?
They stop after one bad day.
I do that.
One bad day means nothing.
I treat it like failure.
Treat it like training.
Training, not testing.
Exactly.
Am I really improving?
Yes, even when you don't feel it.
That's comforting.
But there is one final mistake.
Another one?
The most dangerous one.
What is it?
I'll tell you, but this decides everything. The most dangerous mistake is stopping when things feel slow,
Slow?
when progress is quiet.
No big change?
No excitement, no praise.
That's when I quit.
Most people do.
I think nothing is working.
That is the moment it is working.
Really?
Yes, growth is silent first.
I never knew that.
Speaking fluency grows under the surface,
Like roots?
exactly like roots.
So slow days are okay?
Slow days are necessary.
That changes how I feel.
Your job is simple.
What is my job?
Speak a little every day,
Even when I feel tired?
especially then,
Even when I feel bad?
especially then,
You keep saying that.
because it's true.
I wait to feel motivated,
Motivation comes after action,
not before.
never before.
I can speak one sentence.
Yes, you can.
I can speak two.
Soon you won't count.
I won't?
You'll just speak.
That feels nice.
And one day you'll forget fear.
Completely?
Not completely.
Then what?
Fear will be there, but smaller.
And I'll be bigger.
Exactly.
I don't need perfect English.
You never did.
I need real English.
And a real voice.
I think I'm ready.
You were ready when you started.
Tomorrow morning, one sentence.
Yes.
I won't skip it,
Most people will.
but I won't.
And that's how fluency begins.